How I build a completely free AI-powered YouTube automation pipeline. Using only open source tools and a Raspberry Pi. No GPU required. No expensive API subscriptions. Let me show you exactly how it works. Here is the architecture. First, the content script is generated using a free local LLM or the Gemini API. Second, the English voiceover is created using gTTS or gTTS, which are both completely free. Third, scene images are rendered using Pillow in Python. Fourth, everything is assembled into a video using ffmpeg. And finally, the video is uploaded to YouTube automatically using the official API. The entire tech stack is 100% free. For content generation, we use Gemini's free API or a local LLM. For voiceover, gTTS from Microsoft Edge gives us natural-sounding speech. Scene images are generated with Python Pillow scripts. Video assembly is done with ffmpeg, which has no watermark, and uploads go through the YouTube Data API version 3. The real magic is in the multi-node mesh architecture. The master orchestrator runs on Termux on an Android device. The worker node is a Raspberry Pi 4 or a cloud VM that handles rendering. Storage uses Cloudflare R2, which has a generous free tier. And everything is connected through Cloudflare tunnels, which are also always free. The total cost for the core pipeline? $0 per month. Here is what you get. 5 to 10 minute videos generated completely automatically. Daily uploads without touching anything. Professional sounding English narration. A topic queue that manages itself. And self-healing error recovery. So if something breaks, it fixes itself and keeps going. Ready to build your own? The full source code and setup guide is linked in the description. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more AI build videos. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.